For the second example, the function is a little bit more complicated, and so the steps involved with rearranging will be a little bit more than the previous example. But we're going to start by writing that function as an equation. So y equals 3x minus 2 all over 5. And then we're going to go through our steps to rearrange for x. That's going to be step number 2. Rearranging. Now, our goal is to make x the subject. So to do that, I'm going to start by moving the 5. Because there's a fraction there, we want to get rid of that fraction. Right. So the 5 starts as divide, ends as a time, so 5y equals 3x minus 2. We then go for moving the minus 2, so 5y plus 2 equals 3x. And then the 3 needs to be moved. Since it starts as a times, it ends as a divide, so x equals 5y plus 2 all over 3. And then we have to switch notation. Wherever there's an x, we're going to write that as, wherever there's a y, we're going to write that as x, and wherever there's an x, we're going to write that as f to the minus 1 of x. Okay, that's the little notation switch that we have to do. So f to the minus 1 of x, the inverse function, equals 5x plus 2 all over 3.